The Judies, y'all know what I'm talking about. We're gonna put that thing right here. What's up, you guys? Good morning. I am in my office area, about to get ready for work. Just opening up my curtains and blinds and shades and things. I need to plug up my thing. Y'all, look, I need to clean this up so bad over here. Y'all see that? It is just, girl, my little workspace. This is my little office. I don't think I ever did a video on my office space being completed. It's still not complete because I still have to spray paint this thing right here gold. And then we're gonna put that thing right here along this line here. But that's the wall, y'all. And then I gotta put some more wall decor over here as well. That's how my curtains and stuff look. This green is a mint green. It looks lime green on here for some reason. But yeah, that's just, I need to buy another roll actually. But my little couch area, I did paint up there. As you can see, I didn't get a chance to finish going along that line up there, the ceiling. But yeah, this is my little workspace. It needs cleaned. So don't be coming for it, y'all. Okay, y'all, here go my breakfast. 2 eggs, 1 sausage, and some avocado with everything bagel seasoning on it. All right, I'm about to get my work day started. It is 9:57. What's up, you guys? I am on my lunch break, about to eat. My rye bread is already unthawed. I just took this one out of the freezer. It's a whole grain oat nut bread. I took that one out because later we may want some. About to make me a club sandwich for lunch. And I need to clean this refrigerator out with avocado. What? Ain't that what the girls be doing? The Judies, y'all be out there shaking them shoulders. The Judies, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all be shaking y'all shoulders. Don't act new. So you guys, excuse this loud microwave. Anyways, I grabbed some pepper turkey. That was $5.76 for these. I grabbed 2 of these. Did I grab 2? No, this one is buffalo chicken. I grabbed Cajun turkey. And, the pepper turkey. So I did grab 2. And I grabbed salad. So yeah. And don't mind my daughter back there. She sucks. So I'm about to make me a club sandwich, y'all. You play too much. Why does she do, y'all? Like, who else have a teenage daughter that irks their nerves? On purpose. Like, she does it on purpose. Look at my small skillet I've been looking for. Y'all don't put dishes where they belong. Do y'all have designated areas where y'all put y'all stuff? Anyways, y'all, why? I mean, like, who else kids irks their nerves? My kids is getting on my nerves. They be, ooh, but I love them. But geez, can I get a break? I ain't playing with you, Shelby. So today's going pretty good today, y'all. This is the shenanigans that I have to put up with. Y'all, later on today, I'm going to go to this place called Elaine's. I've been craving some oxtails. So that's what I'm going to have for dinner. I don't know what they're going to have, but that's what I'm going to have.
Wait, I don't know what you are.
So this is the rye bread, y'all. It looks a little crazy. Can you see it?
It looks like regular bread. It's just long.
Rye bread. Was it good? Did you have some yesterday, right?
I don't like the seeds.
You don't like the way they taste?
No.
What did they taste like?
Nasty.
Like what?
I don't know. They just taste nasty.
She said she didn't like the seeds because they tasted nasty. I've never had this bread, first off. So I'm hoping and praying that it's good. All right, y'all. Here's my sandwich. Looks delicious. Got a little burn to it. You know, it ain't right if you ain't got a little burn on there. But I'm about to eat. I should have cut it. I'm gonna go cut it and then I'm about to eat. What's up, you guys? So I am currently here at Elaine's Kitchen. About to order an oxtail jerk chicken, rice and peas with plantain. Y'all, I'm so hungry. My mouth's so watery right now. I cannot even stress how much. Like, I'm just excited to get ready to eat. I'm so hungry. But anyways, the fair is popping, so like it took us a little while to get down here because there are so many cars. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to let y'all go and I will show y'all what my Elaine's looks like. I feel like every time I talk to y'all, I'm eating. Like, I need to get my life, y'all. Y'all, my husband, he don't want to let me record a little bit of his food. All right, y'all, these are the oxtails with the sauce. I don't like the sauce really. I mean the jerk chicken. I really don't like the sauce on it, but you know,
take two, start it over. Cut.
Anyways, be quiet. This is jerk chicken, rice, and cabbage. I made it back home. Here's my oxtails, plantain, cabbage, rice. I'm about to go in. I'm starving. You guys, it is Sunday. And I told y'all that I was going to do the unboxing on the shop company. So I did that unboxing. Unfortunately, I did not like the way the video looked or the quality. So here is the dress form. I already put like a few pins in there. Y'all seeing my whole family back there. Hold up. Let me see. Y'all, I have so much stuff that I need to do as far as organizing this sewing room. Okay, so I told you guys I was going to do the unboxing of the dress form. Unfortunately, when I recorded it, I did not like the quality and the way that it looked. So, sorry you guys are not getting an unboxing video. But this is my new baby. I'm calling her Betty Lou. Y'all, I was working with this one over here that's hanging on by tape, shawty. But this one right here is Mary Jane. I named her Mary Jane, y'all. Just Mary Jane. But yeah, so it came from the shop company. It also came with sleeves. Unfortunately, the sleeves had rust on them. The sleeves has rust on them. Y'all can't really see it good, but I reached out to the shop company. They responded very quickly, and they are sending me new plates to put in the sleeves, the arms. So that's exciting. But this is my new baby. Her name is Betty Lou. Betty Lou. It has collapsible shoulders. It's a size 8. Yes, it's pretty cool. I thought it would have been more padded than what it is. So like if you try to stick one of these pins just directly in there, it's not gonna happen. So sideways with like a little slant in it. But yeah, I really like it. I'm about to get to work because it's prom season is coming up. And so this is my baby, my new baby. This is how she looks at the back. Y'all, the base part of it is very heavy. But this is how it looks at the back. Super excited about it. I'm loving it. Yep. So we will be definitely breaking her in for sure. We're gonna be breaking her in for sure. So yep. And when I can, I will order another one. But the next one that I do purchase is going to, I'm looking for one that's like really padded, like a lot of pad. This video is not sponsored, of course, but I was looking up one dress form. It was called My Classy Dress Form, I believe, and they're no longer in business, or unless they changed their name. But I was thinking about purchasing like a full body one from that company. But I think there's one called European dress form or something of that sort. It has lines, but I will definitely link it in the description bar, or just put it right here, you know, somewhere in the video. Your girl is trying to get this section organized because everything in here is what I definitely need. I need this. These boxes are empty, but I do, when I put my sewing machine up, I do, however, put them back in the boxes with the foam so that they're not damaged. This one is still sitting in there. And I need to put this in the garage because we never put this one up, but it's brand new. But I really need to get this section organized because I just feel like I can't think over here. It's just too cluttered, too much. So, and then all this as well. My son had the shelf, but I think I'm gonna go and take the other one and put it in here and just try to do it that way. But I don't know. I will figure it out. But yeah, I just really wanted to show y'all the dress form because I was supposed to do the unboxing video, but no. Today is Sunday reset, so I'm definitely doing that. Cleaning this area up in here. Cleaned in the living room. About to start dinner. Gonna have like a salmon with a cream sauce on top. Maybe some pasta and spinach. Don't know, but I will definitely figure it out. Be right back, you guys.
How you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis. How you did that? That look like a brand new booty. How you did that? You got face stones and no real watch. How you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet. Why you did that? How you yelling slash slash? How I kill a cat? Yeah, hopping around in the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many vibes in the Phillies acting. Someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me? How you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fucked the same hoe, how you do that, baby? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches on all your blickies, how you did that? Your LV bag turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and no real watch, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special hoop, oh yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I did. How you get that shit, you got a man on your hoe. Let me back sit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Walk my shit like plumber, me and gun of diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out, dump shit, I catch up.
Good morning, y'all. It is so refreshing to come into my office, sewing room, and have it cleared away. Like, y'all, this space was cluttered for a second, remember? I've cleared this off, and I've moved that underneath the table because that's where all my sewing supplies and things of that sort is. I have put these in these little Dollar Tree bins, the spool, until I can get like a pegboard or something of that sort. But yeah, y'all, I just literally last night, I don't know why I didn't record. I was so busy in the zone, but it looks good. I purchased this pretty fabric because I would plan to make a prom dress out of this. So yeah, super excited, you guys. It looks good now.
How you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off.